Hi, my name's Karen. I'd just like to share with you an experience that I've just actually done, and that is a virtual cleanse with Mandakini. I was a bit fearful at first. Being virtual meant that I had to do all my cooking, and I wasn't really sure how that would go. But our first day was actually done with a cooking class in which we actually prepared most of the meals that we would actually have that week. And I found this just really easy actually, and loved all the recipes which we'd been given. After that, we were basically meet every single day in the morning for yoga. The yoga's fantastic, and Mandakini's been teaching this yoga for 25 years and knows completely all about the body, about nutrition that the body actually needs, and everything that we had to do. There was also special surprises thrown in, like Zumba classes. We actually did cardio. There was also basically ginger compresses and a wonderful meditation. I just can't believe that at the end of 7 days that my body felt so much more healthy. I had so much more energy. I'd lost a couple of kilos in weight, but apart from that, my skin was really starting to glow, and I just felt absolutely marvellous. So if you're thinking of doing one of these virtual cleanses, I honestly recommend it. Thank you.